we are back in this bathroom. It's time, because this right here, this is no longer working for me, okay? If you've been following me for quite some time, you guys know that I kind of like stay on a hair journey. Most recently, I've been wearing braids off and on. I deal with some thinning. My hairstylist is also a trichology practitioner, and I have what's called telogen effluvium. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. It's a scalp disorder, and it's characterized by thinning or shedding of hair, resulting from the early entry of hair in the telogen phase, whatever all that means, honey. So I deal with thinning, okay? Most recently I noticed some thinning in the back. That's the reason I ended up doing an undercut, okay? So y'all look, I'm over it. I am so over it. So this is not getting ready to be a tutorial, but what we get ready to do is we're going to cut it. I'm wanting kind of like, maybe like a tapered look. Do I really know what I'm doing? I know. I do know that I'm going to section it off to start the process, kind of get my profile going. My dude number one, aka my husband, is in the room, and so you may hear them talking. He really didn't feel comfortable doing it. I don't want to go let anybody do it, so look, we're going to start this process ourselves, okay? I'm using his clippers. This is a 1-inch guard, so I'm going to start with the largest guard. I want most of it off around the sides and the back. Honey, feel like a little mini afro up under there. I've started walking and doing some running, and I straightened it Saturday, went to church, straightened it, rolled it up, went to church, and then, you know, it's hot, you get to sweating. I went outside, did some walking and running yesterday, and then excuse me, again today, and I'm sweating. It's a little afro up under here. I did start getting a texturizer. I have not done that, just for my roots, to make it a little more manageable. So that's why this, well, I was going to say that's why this is looking a little straight, but not straightened. Anywho, that's what we're going to do, y'all, and we're going to see what we come up with. I'm going to do it in sections, so I'm going to start by parting it off, and then we're going to go from there. Look. Ooh, child. Can't even hardly get the comb. Listen. Y'all hear that? Snap, crackle, and pop. I've started by sectioning it off. So we're going to start here. Ooh, child. Wait a minute, let me make sure I have this. I can't remember if I'm supposed to have it slid up or slid down. Let me ask my husband. Okay, he said up. Y'all, I thought he was gonna come in here. Oh well. And it's gonna be hard, look. I was trying to put this towel on me, but listen. Okay, so I have it up. Don't have my glasses on. Whew. Fun. Here we go, child. And I'm starting off with this high guard because, you know, I just wanted to start off with the high one first. You guys, if my hairstylist is watching this, she's probably having a fit. Hey, Leola. Listen, ain't nothing but hair, honey. Now my daughter just came in here. She looking like, Lord, here we go. Hey, baby. Ain't nothing but hair.
good.
Ain't nothing there. Ain't nothing there. Probably could have cut some of the length off first.
You want the full effect?
Huh?
You want to feel the full effect of it all coming off?
It's so kinky. It's getting. Ooh.
Look at Mama's hair fall.
Is he looking at the phone?
Yes.
Y'all probably saying, Lord, Miss Donna. Ain't it bad? Honey. Ooh. It's already been shampooed. I'm going to have to shampoo it again.
Quick to shampoo.
Huh?
At least it'll be quick to shampoo.
I know, right? Be quick to do it all. Okay, I think I've gotten that as low as I wanted, at least right now. So now I'm gonna part it here. Oh Lord, comb don't even want to go through this hair. I guess I need to kind of, let me figure out what I'm going to do from here, you guys. Okay, I think I'm about ready to get in the shower and shampoo my hair, kind of see what we're looking like, and then go from there. Trying to take it slow, because once I cut it off, honey, I can't get it back. So that's what we're getting ready to do. And the fact that I was getting it texturized, I'm not sure how much of this is still some relaxer, you know, my little straight ends, although I straightened it this weekend. Okay, let me I know I still need to do some more, but let me shampoo it and see how much it's gonna draw up here. All right, so this is out of the shower, and I was wanting to see how much this was gonna kink up once it got wet. But the top of my hair, even being when I was totally natural, it was just a different texture in the top, and whenever it would grow out, it would flop. So this is going to be, this won't be as kinky anyway up here as it is everywhere else, okay? I still may have to do a little bit more snipping, But let's see if we can put some gel on it or something and see what we come up with getting it styled.